Are you walking now? What are you doing? Or just crawling?
We walked within 20 feet of them and then she put their ground. She didn't go after them. I helped
Were you at
her.
home?
But we also have a really dirty
What do you think, Lisa?
Oh, look at how cute this dress is, huh?
dark black,
Darling,
dark
huh?
brown mix
Where are you going?
Is it okay?
behind our house.
We need to get started because
All right.
it's too cold.
All right then.
Uh-oh, you gotta watch that.
Yeah. She goes. She's fine on the stairs.
Yeah, you're shooting the pictures.
Okay.
You're the photographer.
This is awesome. This is awesome. I love this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very nice.
Fine.
Try to stand up. Yay! There you go.
Okay, so here we go.
She can't hold on to it herself. Lisa May, go away. Come on, Lisa.
Give me Lisa May.
I click them and
Come
then...
on, let's get your basket. Pete, here she's going.
Look at her going.
Pete, she's doing her Easter egg.
I gotta go.
You have to, she has to figure out that the eggs go in the basket.
Okay, I'll tell that, Roger. He knows everyone.
Sophie,
Where are you going?
Hey.
Sophie.
So, look at this. Look at this.
Look, so.
I got an egg.
Where'd it go?
Sitting on.
Lisa, no.
You gonna fall backwards there?
Go get
Go get him. Go get him. Go get him.
So cute.
How is that? Is that good?
What in the world is that, Rob?
The
Is that
video
an
camera.
iPod?
Sophie. Sophie. Look. Hi. Here's another one. Come get this. Come on.
Okay, come here, May. Come here, May.
Okay, let's stand up.
Come here, May.
Put the egg in the basket. And then stand up and grab the basket. Here,
Sophie.
look it. Here, just go over here by mommy.
Look it. Put it in here.
Put it in the basket.
Put it in the basket.
Put it in the basket. You want to take that other one out.
Oh. She has her own ideas of things here, huh?
Ooh.
How old is Sophie?
10 months.
10 months? That's her first Easter.
Yeah.
Wow. I feel honored. Being here, yeah. Movie star like you.
Look at you. Put it in the basket. Thank you.
Yay! Good girl! Yay! Oh.
Thank you.
Okay, good enough.
Put the other one in the basket. Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. Hopefully the sprinklers won't come on.
I don't think she's gonna find all those eggs.
Yay!
Hey, Sophie. Sophie,
Sophie, look.
look at over here. More eggs.
I don't know what to do with this one. I want to eat it.
Sophie. Look it. Great. Well, of course, they've got to pick her. I mean, they've got to.
Sophie. Hey, hey, look at these. Sophie.
Here, let's put it in here.
Sophie, look at these. Look at these.
So we take the basket over there and get some more. Can you hold the basket? Hold the basket. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, walk, walk.
More.
Oh.
This one. This one. Put it in the basket.
Her mouth is going to be blue and Peach.
She's got beautiful lipstick on. How you doing tonight? Good. Good.
Put it in the basket.
Hey, sugar. Sugar. Maymay's so jealous.
No.
It's okay, Maymay. It's okay.
Yeah.